Hi, and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. In this chapter, we're going to be going over HDRMultiScaleTransform. So we're going to go up here to Process, All Processes, HDRMultiScaleTransform. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is look at our number of layers. We're going to go 6. For our testing, we're going to be doing number of iterations 1. We're going to want to select median transform. We're also going to select 2 lightness. This is important from Light Vortex Astronomy's tutorial due to this being a color image. So we're going to want to apply this to only the lightness or luminance component. We're also going to want to do lightness mask. And the other thing we're going to want to do is apply a mask so everything is applied to the galaxy. So let's go ahead and bring back our good old luminance mask. And let's do a show mask. And you know, I'm going to remove that. I'm going to use range selection. Let's open up a preview. No, I think I'm just going to leave it about right there. Let's get rid of the preview. Yeah. Alright, let's apply this. Then we'll take and apply it to that. Get this out of the way. Alright, so we got our mask applied, so we'll go ahead and not show it. Alright, so let me move this up here real quick. So we're just going to run a test. Mid-tone balance, we're going to make sure we leave it automatic. And we're going to run a test, make sure this works pretty well, and then we'll start tweaking the layers and iterations. Alright, I did not like that. So we're going to undo. It's one of the, not just the way the galaxy looked, but look at this double star right here. Look at that little thing. Yeah, I definitely don't like the way it affected some of the centers of the stars too. So we'll pop this back out. Let's go. Let's go up to 8. Let's see what happens there. All right. Well, definitely brought out a lot more of the dust lanes. I don't like the center. Let's try going to a 2. Let's undo. And let's try this again. Oh, that is ugly. All right, so I'm just curious, if I drop that down to a 5, doing undo first. Let's see what happens with a 5. Interesting. I'll do a 4. What does a 4 give me? Alright, well, that's definitely the wrong way. So let's go to a 9. 8 and 2 is starting to look good, so I'm going to go with a 10 and 1. Let's see if that does anything. Okay. I think 9 might do it. Definitely brought out more detail in those dust lanes. Still left the core kind of bright. So let me just back off for a second here. Yeah. I am liking that. Actually, let me do an 11. Let's see what an 11 looks like before I go to a 9. Okay, let's see what that did. I left that still a little too bright. Let's go back. 10 was good. Let's see what 9 does. Alright, well, I kind of like it, but I don't like the center of the galaxy. I think 10 is where we're going to want to be. Look at the centers of yeah. I like the 10. The one thing I am going to do is I'm going to remove this mask. I'm going to redo it. Maybe. Because it is applying some stuff in the center, so let me get rid of this mask. Let me go back and do range selection. Before I do that, I want to undo. bump this back down just a little bit to catch more. And then I'm going to bring this upper limit down so I can protect the brighter areas. Bring that back up just a hair. Yep, I think I'm gonna like that. So let's go ahead and first pop this over here. Then we'll put that on there. Apply that as a mask. And let's just do a show, make sure. Okay, because in the center of these stars, if you notice, they were a little dimmer. They were kind of ringed in the middle. So I kind of want to protect the center a little bit. The center of these stars. So I can get rid of range, and now 10 was good, so let's see if it's still good. Now let's go back and flip between them. And I think I'm gonna like that right there. Yeah, I kind of like that right there. So we're going to go ahead and create our process icon. Move this around. Close this out. And let me go ahead and remove this mask. All right, and that was HDR. Took a few times to find one that I liked, but you know, that's part of the process. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Stick around for the next chapter, and yeah, please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, and ring that bell if you want to get notified when I put something new up there. I want to wish you a good rest of your day, evening, or weekend, and clear skies. Thank you.